Hi everyone. Well, today I'm really happy because today I've received my keyboard, which is a Yamaha PSR-E473. Ordered it from Amazon, and I hope that they have delivered it to me safely, and that is the reason I'm making the video. I'll just lift up the box. It's right in front of me, so you can also have a look at it. Just it's pretty heavy. So that's the keyboard, and if the things are not damaged, I hope they're not. If they are, then I'll just have to return it. And if they're not damaged, then maybe I'll go ahead and make another video checking the keys, the display, the speakers, and all those things, the adapter. So let's not waste a lot of time, and stay tuned. I'll just unbox it right now. So this is how the box looks from the outside. The details, the manufacturing month and the serial number and all those things were there. There was one hole on the box, like it was torn from one place, and I was kind of worried if the keyboard is intact from the inside, and that was the whole reason of making the video, to ensure that in case something turns out to be faulty or damaged, then I'll have to return it with a proof to Amazon. But thankfully everything turned out to be good, and it was not damaged. Then we had that music bookkeeping stand that was there, and this is the adapter. And the first impression was the keyboard was really nice. It's heavy, but it is good. Here I'm just checking the back panel, the things at the back, where to place the battery and all those things. So I've turned on the keyboard, checking the sounds and other things, and now I think I'm satisfied. Let's go to the detailed video. So that's the Yamaha branding, and then we can see there are lots of inputs and outputs at the back. The sustain button, the right output, the left output, or the combined output. For the headphones also we have an output. Then the mic input, then this gain is used for mic, I guess. And then we have this aux input to play any song, and then to a device USB port, and then there's another to host by which you can actually connect it with a computer. So it looks beautiful, amazing. I mean, it is the best keyboard that I've seen in this particular price range. The blue color especially looks amazing. The glass is really glossy, gives a premium look. And I think we'll just turn it on now. And the display, there are a few reviews which I also read, and I was very skeptic about the display. So that's why I'm giving this special focus on display here first of all. So from where I'm sitting, the display looks fine. It's not like it's not clear or something. It looks kind of okay from where I'm sitting, maybe not in the video, but it's good. But at the same time, when I'll go over it, so when you view the display from over the keyboard, then the display becomes lighter. It appears to be light, and I think that is the main reason people complain about the display. Now the problem, I think, is not the display itself, from what I have analyzed, because when you are sitting at this position, it's absolutely clear, and this is the position from where you will be looking at the display all the time. And this glass panel, this is kind of slanted. Now because of the slanting, the thickness of the glass is increasing when we are viewing it at from 90-degree angle. and from this angle it's a perpendicular view, and that's why it's kind of clear from this angle. From the top it is kind of making an angle because of which the thickness of the glass is increasing, and that's why the display appears to be lighter. So it's fine, so I'm kind of satisfied with it. And then all these buttons, of course I'll be trying them all out in the next few days, and then I'll try and give a detailed review of all the functions to whatever extent I can. And of course I'll be playing some videos and uploading those songs as well. And definitely I think I should just play a sample right now, just to give the feel of the sound quality. Let's go.